Hello everyone, I am the teacher to this question. Let me explain the question to you now. So the question says that without actual division, show that 11 is a factor of the following number and the number is 11,011. So हमें इस क्वेश्चन में एक नंबर दिया हुआ है 11,011 जिसको बिना 11 से एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड किए हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि 11 उसका फैक्टर है। तो चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लिख लेते हैं हमें गिवन क्या है एक नंबर 11,011 and what is it that we have to show that 11 is a factor of 11,011। तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले let's recollect the definition of a factor. So what is a factor? The factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. That means हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि 11 इस नंबर को 11,011 को पूरी तरह से डिवाइड करता है। That is the remainder is 0 when 11 divides, if 11 divides 11,011. Now हमें पता है that according to the divisibility rule of 11, we know that if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and even places is 0, then it is divisible by 11. तो यहाँ पे हमें divisibility by 11 चेक करने के लिए सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो हमें नंबर दिया हुआ है 11,011 उसके sum of digits निकालने पड़ेंगे at the odd and the even places। तो चलिए हम निकालते हैं। For the number 11,011, the sum of digits at odd places is equal to 1 plus 0 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Similarly, the sum of digits at even places is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So therefore, the difference between the sum of two digits at even places and the sum of three digits at odd places is equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So from the condition, that means अगर इन दोनों का difference 0 है sums का, that means ये satisfy कर रहा है the condition for divisibility by 11. So therefore, the number 11,011 is divisible by 11. So what can we say? If 11,011 is divisible by 11, so we can conclude that 11 is a factor of 11,011. Now, therefore, the final answer is 11 is a factor of 11,011, hence proved. क्यों? क्योंकि अभी हमने जब फैक्टराइजेशन के बारे में रिकलेक्ट किया एंड देन हमने वी हैव चेक्ड यूजिंग द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल बाय 11, हमें क्या मिला दैट द सम ऑफ डिजिट्स एट इवन प्लेसेस फॉर द नंबर 11,011 and the sum of digits at odd places for the number 11,011 is 0. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 0 है, which satisfies the condition which is to be obeyed for divisibility rule of 11, and hence 11 is a factor of 11,011 because it divides 11. That's all the explanation to this question. I hope the explanation is clear. Thank you.